Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie in Toca Boca Easy Guide. Open the kitchen scene and select your avatar, then tap the pantry to collect apples and crust supplies. Use the cutting board to slice apples, mix spices, and roll out dough. Fill the crust evenly, crimp the edges, and place the pie in the oven until golden and ready to serve. Start by flattening the dough using the rolling pin until it looks even and smooth. Slice apples uniformly so they cook at the same rate, then toss them with cinnamon and sugar in a bowl. Spoon the filling into the prepared crust, cover with a top layer or lattice, and seal the edges. Place the pie into the oven and monitor the timer until it reaches a golden brown finish. After baking, let the pie cool briefly so slices keep their shape when cut. Use cookie cutters or stamps to press fun shapes into the crust before baking for a playful look. Add a scoop of ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream when serving to make the dessert extra special. Present slices on colorful plates to match Toca Boca's bright aesthetic and enjoy the virtual baking moment with friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.